Kids Cook is going to review different cooking methods to get you ready for the Veggie Cook Off. We are cooking carrots, but you can use carrots, cauliflower, or broccoli. Pay attention to tips to help you cook your veggie at home. Grab an adult, pick up a pen and paper, and take some notes for your experiment. Saute. To cook food quickly in a little bit of fat or oil over relatively high heat. The word sauté comes from the French word saute, which means to jump. This describes not only how the food reacts when placed in a hot pan, but also the act of tossing the food in the pan. You will need a skillet, a spatula, and a small amount of oil in addition to your veggie. In sautéing, you cook the food quickly so it keeps the flavor and texture. Sautéed vegetables should still be crisp. Roast. To cook your food evenly in an oven with hot air. Roasting makes foods caramelize. Caramelization is the browning of the sugar in the food that results in sweet, nutty flavors and the brown color. You will need a baking sheet, spatula, and a small amount of oil in addition to your veggie. Don't crowd your veggies on the baking sheet so they have room to brown on all sides. Tip: roast until you toast. The vegetables should be tender enough to poke a fork in them and have some browned toasted parts. Boiling. To cook fully submerged food in boiling liquid for even heat distribution. When liquids boil, bubbles caused by the water vapor rush to the surface of the liquid and pop. Tip: the boiling point of water is 212 degrees. You will need a pot, water, and your veggie. Boiling agitates the food in the boiling water and breaks the cell structure of the food. Vegetables are done when you can easily stick them with a fork. Steam. To cook food by boiling liquid and placing the food above the boiling water to be cooked by the steam or vapor of the liquid. You will need a medium pot, steamer basket, water, and your veggie. Tip: the top of the water should not touch the steamer basket. Once water is heated past 212 degrees, it stops being water and turns into steam. Steaming causes little agitation for the food and should be done relatively quick. Vegetables are steamed when you can easily stick them with a fork and bright in color. Mushy and dull in color vegetables are overcooked. Now you know more about different types of cooking. Work with an adult to pick a dry cooking method and a moist cooking method to compare and contrast in your own kitchen with your veggie. Bon appetit!